Okay, I'm going to talk to you about graphical user interfaces in um, in Java programming. Here's an example of a GUI written in Java. The program is similar to the Minesweeper program in Windows. You got a file menu. You got the option of new mine or exit. Here you got a multi-dimensional array of J buttons. When you click one, if it's red, the rest of the mines will show up and it says the mine has been found. Game over. So we go back to file and new mines. And you're not trying to find a mine. If the button turns black, it is not a mine. So I just clicked on this upper right hand and it said a mine has been found. So I'm going to click on OK and I'm going to exit out the game and show you the written code. So here we are in Linux Mint. I changed the interface in Linux Mint to look like Windows 7. There's some resources on the internet that you can go to. Okay. I used the original mine class, which I developed during the last tutorial. The only thing, the only other method I've written is a get mine method. This method gets an element from the mine array, and this is the little function itself. So basically, let me show how it's being used. So I'm going to start down here at the main method. So I'm putting mine James mg equals new mine games. That calls to the constructor. Then I got mg default close operation date frame that accept underscore on underscore close. Alright, so it's gonna go up to this class, this constructor here, mine games. As you can tell, the class mine frames extends to the JFrame class, which creates the windows and implements an app action listener. An action listener is involved when you click on a button. Here are the variables in the program. Okay, so the Mind Games constructor actually sets up the graphical user interface by using a container, a file menu, sets up a new menu bar, adds the file menu to the menu bar. Here's the entry for a new mine, which I've shown you. So and that's the code there. This here is the code to exit out of the program. So basically all it does is it performs a system.exit upper parentheses 0 close parentheses semicolon. Here, let me run in the program and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So, I'm going to click on run main project. And here's the project again. The content pane is this pane here on this window, and we add the menu bar to the north, layouts, and then here we create a new button panel, which is a J panel, and where the buttons are is the J panel. And we set it to a grid layout the size of the row and column. Then we initialize the mine. We go to that method. And all this method does is calls the mines constructor, and it sets the mines to it. Okay, this the for loop here sets up the J buttons and calls the action listener. And when you call the action listener, it goes to the action perform method, which is down here. And what this does is it gets the OM column where the button is clicked, and it passes those two variables to the get mine method of the mines class. If that returns true, then the buttons that have a mine will become red, and this J option pane showing you a mine has been found. Else, mine array row column set background color that black. Okay, the reset buttons method I would do is a nested for loop that sets the buttons back to the color gray. And then we're adding this to the button panel to the content pane to the south, and we're setting titles of the menu bar to mines. The size is 640 by 480, and we're setting it visible. So I'm going to exit out of the program. So that's basically how graphical user interface works.